What you're going to hear about today is nothing short of a miracle.
Well, hello everybody and welcome back to another math lesson, and we're going to be continuing on in another day of division. We're actually going to be introducing a new topic within division today, and that's called remainders. And what that's all about is in division, all you're doing is you're breaking a large group of something up into smaller groups. And sometimes there's a little bit extra on the end. Here's what I mean. Say you have 5 cookies and 3 friends, and you want to break that group up of 5 cookies into 3 equal groups so your friends can all have the same amount of cookies. Well, each friend can get 1 cookie, and that means you gave out 3 of your cookies, but if you had 5, that means you have 2 left over. That's what a remainder is. So in the following problems that we're going to be doing, there's going to be a little bit extra at the end of your equal groups, and that's called a remainder. And I know this is just our second day doing this, and I also like to say we're going to be doing this for a little while, so don't get frustrated if you're confused. Ask questions. It's okay to, when you submit it in Seesaw, to type up on your picture that you have a question, and we would love to help you out. So we're going to do 2 problems today. Try to follow along. If you need to watch this video multiple times to get it into your head of how to do the process, that's totally okay. And like I said, it's okay to ask questions. So follow along the best you can and give this a shot, and then we're going to see how it goes. Let's do a couple of examples.
Okay, let's do 27 divided by 6. So once again, what's actually happening here is say you have 27 cookies and 6 friends. How many cookies does each friend get equally? And that's what you're going to find out here by doing this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this 2. How many times does 6 go into 2 without going over? Well, actually 0, because 6 is bigger than 2. So we're going to put a 0 there, and that's important to know in the future when we do long division. So then we ask ourselves, how many times does 6 go into 27 without going over? Well, we know that 6 times 5 is 30, but 6 times 4 is 24. So that would be the closest thing to 27 without going over. So put the 4 up top here, and then you're going to put a little multiplication symbol there, and you're going to go, what is 4 times 6? 4 times 6 is 24, and then we're going to subtract. And 27 minus 24 is 3, and then you're going to bring that 3 up top, and that's going to be our remainder. 4 remainder 3. Okay, let's take a look at this next one. Same thing. You have 30 cookies and 4 friends. How many cookies does each friend get in an equal group? So how many times does 4 go into 3? 0, because 4 is bigger than 3. So we're going to put our 0 there. And then we look at how many times does 4 go into 30. Well, we know from our previous problem, 4 times 6 is 24, which is close, but we can get a little bit closer. 4 times 7 is 28. And we're going to put our 7 up top, and then we're going to multiply him. 7 times 4 is 28. Then we're going to subtract. And 30 minus 28 is 2, and he's going to go up top. And that's our remainder. 7 remainder 2. Okay, so here's a couple of examples to work out on your own. Okay, so here's 2 examples to work out on your own. 32 divided by 5 and 26 divided by 5.
Okay, work on those 2 examples for us, and when you're done, take a nice clear picture of it. Work on your whiteboard if you can. If not, pen and paper is great. Pencil and paper is great. Just try to get it nice and clear so we can see all the work that you did. Make sure to show all those steps, and if we might need to, we can write right on that activity to help give you some feedback. So go ahead and work on that. Have fun, and we'll talk to you soon.